the app is a huge help. You can start sorting out your whole trip on that app well in advance.
Alright, I'll text you.
Hey, Lainey. That's the plan, Michelle, yeah. Hello, Holly. I live in Florida. Welcome back, Jeannie. Oh, that sounds good, Russell. This is Epcot, yeah. This will be the last ride in Epcot. Then I'm gonna grab food. I think I'm gonna get the fish and chips. Maybe a brioche. I'll put those on Instagram. And then I'll come back. Probably in studios or on the way to studios. I'll figure it out. Thank you, Alex. That's always fun, Allie. And then everybody leaves and it's just like a complete downshift. This is Remy. Very true, Allie. And I'm hanging with friends for the most part that I made on this line, so it's perfect.